I'm actually excited because I've been saying I'm going to clean up my study or my office. So, especially this bookshelf, like. So hi everyone, this is my home office. I really enjoy working from the space. The condition is not working out at the moment, so I just want to tidy up things, like really tidy up the space. I just love working from home. If I could just take my whole studio and bring it home, I would. In fact, I've done that in the past. You know, you start with a home studio before you move out. So I enjoy working from home, man. Like, I just do. So it's past 9, like 9:30 to 10, and yeah, I'm still busy. I just finished sweeping, and since 4:30 I've been cleaning, and I thought, let me just do everything at once, so that tomorrow I can rest. So, and I usually rest on Sundays, in fact. So so yeah, I'm just laughing at myself because I didn't realize that this was gonna be a task. While I'm showing you this video, I want to tell you a story. At the beginning of this year, 2023, I chose a word for myself. It's a word I used as a reminder every day to remind myself about the things that are meaningful to me. The word was consistency. I will carry it through to 2024. The best definition for consistency, one that I liked at least, is that consistency is about maintaining the same standards and behaviors that lead to producing a high quality of work. I chose this word because I wanted to show up for myself, for the people and things I love, to remind myself that how I do one thing is how I will do everything. Showing up meant being disciplined with my day-to-day activities, doing that one thing well and improving on it every day. It's also about setting productive small goals that lead me to bigger outcomes, and sometimes no outcome at all. The joy of knowing that I managed to wake up early and breathe life into my day. In 2024, I am defining consistency as improvement within my existing daily routines. I want to be intentional about setting time to refine the existing projects I have started in 2023 and to make sure that I rest more because I have everything to lose if I don't take care of myself. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one.